how to delete the threads account on your mobile phone. If you just sign up on a new app from Meta, which is called Threads, and if you start from this app, in this video I'm talking about how to delete the Threads app account from your mobile. We are going to tap your profile at the bottom right. Now let's tap on these two lines at the top right, and next midway down let's tap on account. Now at the very top you can see take a break and deactivate profile. So let's tap on deactivate profile. One option of course is to deactivate, and that will purge all of the stat stuff from the threads. But keep in mind it doesn't follow delete your account. Now it says one more about how to delete your data, so let's have this one more, and it will show us basically some keywords to deleting it. So if you scroll down again, it says how to deactivate your account, which we just went through, but it says since Thread is powered by Instagram, in order to delete your Threads profile and data, you delete your Threads profile, and data you have to delete your entire Facebook and delete your Threads profile, and data you have to delete your entire Instagram account. Note that they are looking into a separate way to delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account. So as of right now you have to delete your Instagram account completely to delete your Threads account, but potentially down the road they will have it separate so that you can just delete your Threads account. You can always just tap on the profile or tap on that and then the profile at the bottom right, and now let's tap on those three lines at the top right. Now let's check these settings in privacy, and then let's get into account center. Now once we are on here, let's scroll down, and what we are going to is tap on this personal details midway down, and then account ownership and control, and then finally deactivation and deletion. Tap on that and tap on Instagram, and then you can tap on delete your account and continue, basically go through all of these steps. The process and go through the whole thing and delete your account. Doesn't really matter what you choose here. Just hit continue to keep going through this. You might have delete the Instagram account, and it will by doing so delete your Threads account as well. Hope this helps you. If you have any question on if you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below. I will catch you on the next one. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I will catch you on the next one.